Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Our group will represent Module 2 Ibaza. This is prepared by Husna, Alif, Hamis, Muhammad Nasiruddin, and Wong Nuyen. This is the table of contents. For part 1, we're going to explain about MOV, list of resource. And for the part 2, DSC, UCD, WBS. And for the part 3, course assignment, task linking, project's beginning and end date, and also critical path.
2 and part 3. Today I will present about part 1 MOV and list of resources. For area of impact, for the operational is more efficient and more effective transaction process. For social is help business owner to promote and provide shopping experience. For customer is service experience and easier compared to traditional process. And strategic is improve the method and commercialize the online business. For value impact is to better in terms of transaction and faster or efficient. For appropriate metric, to increase number of seller by 20% and have 50% higher than the initial number of by the end of the year. And the second one is increase the number of buyer at least 30% in year and have 50% more number of user than initial. For term frame, we will total of the term frame is 3 years. For the summary of MOV is the project will successful if we have 20% increment of seller and 50% of user than the start and which target 500,000 for the first 3 years. For the list of resources, we have people, technology, facility, and security features. For people, we have CEO, operational manager, technical lead, data analyst, web developer, CITDS, client or user. For technology, we use Microsoft Project, Visual Studio, and Android Studio. For facility, we using computer, router, and server. And the security features using testing for vulnerabilities, confined keyboard access, and security for financial transaction.
Hello, I am Husna and I am going to talk about part 2, which are DSC and UCD. The first one is Deliverable Structure Chart DSC. In eBazaar Business Project, we have 5 development stages, which are Initialize and Conceptualize Business Case. Second one, to plan project charter and project plan. The third one is Execute and Control, which consists of 5 other steps of development. The fourth stage is close project, which are formal acceptance and final project report. The last stage would be execute project success by evaluating project. Next is use case diagram. In eBazaar project, we have 3 main actors, which are customer, seller, and system. Both customer and seller will need to register and log in into the system. Customers may browse the products, add product to cart, and make payment, while seller can manage product in the system and manage customer orders by adding, deleting, editing, viewing, and searching. Seller also need to deliver the product once ordered by the customer. Lastly, system can manage customer and seller accounts.
Okay, now I will say about the part 2 for the third question, which is the WBS. This is the our Gantt chart. We are using Canva, not the Microsoft project. Because we cannot afford to buy it. This is how our Gantt chart look like. The first task is conceptualize, initialize project. The second part is develop project plan and charter. The third one is analysis. The fourth one is design. Design we need to take a lot weeks to do. Next is construction. Same as design, needs a lot of time. And then we test it. Next we implement. And then we close the project. And then we evaluate the project success. That's all.
Now I would like to present for part 3. First, resource course assignment. As you can see in the slide, All the members that involved in this project will have the same salary, which is 20 ringgit Malaysia per hour. We continue to our task linking. The diagram shows that each task is linked with the previous task. For the execute and control, we have divided to a few parts, which is analysis, design, construction, test, and implementation. The project will start on 23rd of January 2020 and end of 19th of February 2021, which is 234 days, excluding the public holidays that's shown in the table below. Last, we go for the critical part of this project. The start, end, and the duration for each task to complete is listed in this diagram. Thank you.